So let's do listing. Okay, so how do you list this? So if you check this is already in set build notations for you, right? It's already in set build notation for you. So let's list. So how do you list? They are saying list the elements of each of the following sets. So you list them. So we have I, you list them as I, right? So how do you list this? The first thing they're saying x such that x is a natural number less than 5. So what are natural numbers? So natural numbers are counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to positive infinity, right? Those are natural numbers. So we're looking at natural numbers less than 5. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the answer. Someone will be like, what a 4.5? Well, 4.5 is not a natural number. That is just a real number. It's not even an integer. Okay. Then number 2, we have number 2 we have x such that x is a negative integer greater than -3. Okay, so if you look at x is a negative integer, what are negative integers? We're looking at integers like, I'll give an example, -1, -2, -3, right? -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, right? So looking at x is a negative integer greater than -3. Okay, so what are those negative integers which are greater than -3? Is -4 greater than -3? No. So we're looking at -1 and -2. Okay, then we have number 3. We are listing here. So number 3, we have x such that x is a positive number less than, okay, so notice we have a positive number less than, we have this is a positive number less than, we have -5. Okay, union, so this one where we have -5 union 1, 2, 3, right? So a positive number less than these. What is a positive number which is less than this? Okay, don't let this confuse you. In other words, this can be a set like, for example, -5, right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is a set, right? That's what it means. Union means you're bringing them together. Now, what positive number is less than these? It's empty set. Why? Because we have a negative here. There's no negative which is greater than a positive number. So this will just be empty set. Empty. That's how you write empty set in school. Okay. Then number 4, x is a positive number, positive even number, less than. Now notice what they're saying. They're saying less than 10. Okay. X is a positive even number less than 10. Then they say intersection x is an integer. Okay, so x is an integer. It means from -infinity to positive infinity, right? Excluding fractions are negative, right? So now intersection means numbers that are found in between. Okay, numbers that are found, okay, positive. So we're saying 10 intersection whatever is in there. So what is a positive even number that is in between these? Okay, so the answer here will be I. The fourth one will be I is equal to, so let me first describe this as well. First, let me help you with this. What does this mean? Okay, 10 intersection integers. Okay, so integers, we're looking at numbers like from -infinity to now since here they're saying positive, so I'll not consider the -infinity. I'll consider the positive infinity like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Positive integers. Now what does intersection mean? Intersection is what is found both in this set and this set, which is what? Which is 10, right? 10, 11. So in other words, I can even remove the 10 if I want to, because 10 is also found there, isn't it? Okay, 10, all right. But I'll just put it for the sake of putting. Now, what are those numbers? Now, can 11 be part? So, can 11 be part? X is an integer. So we're looking at x, a positive what? X is a positive number less than 10, or positive even number. So what are those positive even numbers less than 10? We're looking at what? Positive even numbers less than 10. We're looking at 2, sorry for this. We're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Because they're saying less than 10. Intersection, there's an intersection integer there, right? So what is the answer? So I've listed it for you now here. So this part is less than 10, intersection integers, 2 positive infinities, just going 1, 2, 3, 4, because we're considering the positive. So the answer will be I is equal to, it will be 2, of course, 4, 6, and 8. That will be the answer. Okay, that will be the answer itself. Less than 10. That will be the answer. Okay. Then number 5, I would like you to try number 5, number 6, and part B, and I would like the answers in the in the comment section, or even in the group. I would like the answers. All right. So we have the group for those who are coming at CBU, either School of Business, or those who are coming to do natural sciences, computer science, whatever. I'll put the link in the comment section so that you guys can follow. You can tell your friends. If you're in NS, follow that group. If you're in the School of Business, follow that group. That's how it is. Alright guys, thank you for watching.